Hey, this is Jason with AllTech Services. Today we're going to talk about drain lines. So at least once a year you want to have your primary drain line flushed. Any dirt and dust that makes its way past your filter can build up inside your evaporator, and in the summer months whenever you're pulling moisture from the home, that moisture comes down your drain and into a trap such as what we have here on the side. What it carries with it is the dirt and debris that made it past your filter. So you do want to make sure you flush, I would say, a gallon of warm water. You could use distilled white vinegar with it, but you want to make sure this drain is clear. Now that we're in the winter months, if you have a high efficiency system, you also have a furnace trap or a furnace condensate trap right here. So same concept, we're going to be making moisture in the wintertime through this condensing gas furnace. The vapors in the exhaust flue will actually condense, and that water travels back to your equipment inside and it goes into this little trap. It has to drain outside of the furnace and either go to a floor drain or somewhere else to leave the building. What can happen is any dirt, debris, rust, anything that might accumulate inside your equipment will get trapped inside of that little device. So once a year you need to have that device removed, have the tubes pulled from it, and it needs to be thoroughly cleaned so you don't have any downtime. Thanks for watching.